Good morning everyone, welcome back to Question a Day. Today is July the 3rd and we'll be answering July the 2nd's question on powers. Now unfortunately we've had a little bit of bleed through from World UFO Day, so you can still spot some of these extraterrestrials popping up. But today is Stay Out of the Sun Day, which shouldn't be too hard given today's weather. But just remember, if you do go out in the sun, make sure to wear plenty of sun protection. The question we'll be answering is 8 to the power of 3x plus 2, and we want to write it in the form of 2 to the power of a, where a is just some expression in x. So the way we're going to begin this, we start with 8 to the 3x plus 2. We want the base to be a 2. So what we can notice is, well, 8 is a power of 2. So we can convert that into being 2 to the power of 3. But we can't forget about that 3x plus 2 either. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in brackets. So what I'm effectively doing is I'm taking this 8 and writing it in a slightly different way. But I've not actually done any manipulation of it yet. So I've got 3x plus 2 here. And now what we want to do is combine these together somehow. Now we could just do this using third law. Now we could just do this using power laws. So if you remember your rules of indices, if we have something like this, we can multiply them together. But you can think of this almost as kind of like a distributive property, where we've got 2 to the 3 happening 3x plus 2 times, which means that overall we're going to have 3x plus 2 copies of 2 to the 3 multiplied together, which then, as we know, will then become 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3x plus 2. And now we can translate that quite easily. We'll expand that bracket, get 2 raised to the 9x plus 6. That's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.